Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Afterlight app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Afterlight is a photo editing app designed for users who want quick yet powerful editing tools on their phone. It includes features like advanced filters, real film textures, light leaks, dust overlays, and precise editing tools for color, exposure, curves, and more. You can also layer effects, apply frames, and even use custom text with a wide range of fonts. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is intuitive and fast, with a minimal and polished interface that makes navigation smooth. Users appreciate the high-quality filters and how you can adjust everything with precision. The textures and overlays give photos a unique, vintage, or cinematic look, making it a favorite among casual users and content creators alike. However, it's not without drawbacks. A lot of features are locked behind a subscription, which some users find expensive. There have also been reports of crashes when editing high-resolution images, and occasional slowdowns when applying multiple effects. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Afterlight is a solid photo editing app for anyone looking to upgrade their Instagram game or build a visual aesthetic. With its blend of simplicity and professional-level tools, it's worth trying. But if you want full access, be prepared for a subscription. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.